Hello, hello. Remember what we talked about on the live? It's about to go down. I have some white sand I'm going to put in the bottom. Now, this is just an experiment.
Shouldn't the sand go on top of the gravel?
No. It's an experiment. So we're going to see how it works. Okay?
Normally, like with the Earth's crust, rocky stuff is on the bottom and then it gets finer towards the top.
Okay, so we shall put the gravel in then. Per your request.
Well,
You're just running the show. Dirt.
Dirt.
Everywhere.
That looks delicious.
Kind of stinks, but it's a good stink. Mud pie. Who wants an Oreo layered mud pie? Sometimes escaping tools aren't the best. Sometimes your old silverware work better. Okay, that remnant is gonna go in the garbage or back outside. One of the two. We're gonna spritz, 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 spritz. Make it moist. This is everlasting spritzing bottle from Dixie Belle from my crafting days. It is water. I didn't choose distill, that's all we had. And then moss that I collected today while River was napping for a few minutes. And we're just gonna place it ever so conveniently into the vase. I believe these are two different types of mosses, unless it's different growing stages. Okay, Now that the moss is placed, we're going to spritz again. Spritz, 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 spritz. We're going to activate that moss from the springtime to go into summertime. Later on, I'm going to add different smaller plants. But for right now, this is just a test run to see how well it's going to grow. I probably should spray it just a tad bit more. It was pretty dry. Ooh. Smell the earthiness. It smells so good. Smell it. Can you smell it?
There's little dewdrops on the ends. It's really cool.
And we're going to close it up. And we're going to keep an eye on it. We're going to make sure it has light. How fitting, it shuts off. Eventually, I want to add more plants into there. It's just start of my grow jar. Hopefully, we can take some pictures and video and let y'all see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.